Let's see how to edit video in iPad 9th generation. In the first step, tap on Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Now select Photos and turn on Access for editing apps. In the next step, launch the chosen editing app. After that, start a new project or add an existing video. Now modify the timeline layout for easy navigation. In the next step, utilize trim or cut functions to delete extra sections. Next, move clips around by dragging them in the timeline. Next, insert transitions between clips for smoother flow. In the next step, add filters or visual effects for better appearance. Then modify brightness, contrast, and color tones. Next, adjust speed settings to fast forward or slow motion. In the next step, tap off on Export or Save option. Later, choose the desired resolution and file format. Next, store the final video in Photos or Files. You are good to go.